I'm making something that I wanted to make a long time ago, around about a month before Thanksgiving, because I got a whole bunch of this, what do you call it? Jellied cranberry sauce. I got 2 different brands. I'm going to make cranberry wine. That's a good idea. Perfect for Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving when you've got too much cranberry sauce. The ingredients is 35% cranberries plus sugar plus water. So add yeast and a bit more water, and that's pretty much alcohol. Step 1. Open the thing. Hey, look at that. Makes a noise. Put it in. Just so happen to have a sterilized spoon. This big bucket that I'm putting the cranberry sauce into holds 6 liters. I just measured it. And these little jars of cranberry sauce each contain 275 grams, that one doesn't make a noise, of cranberry sauce. So all up, just over 1 kilo of cranberry sauce and like 5 liters of water. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar as well. It's January now, and I literally bought all this stuff a month before Thanksgiving, which we don't do in Australia, mind you. But I thought cranberries are delicious, so I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Don't ask me to tell you how much sugar I'm adding, but it's not going to be very much. Just to get things going. This video is actually because of a request. Somebody said, can you please make some wine out of dried cranberries? So I bought some dried cranberries. This is hot water. I'm going to stir it around. So yeah, so I bought some hot cranberries, and I also thought, wow, look, they got cranberry juice here. Oh, well, look, they got cranberry sauce. But it's been so long, I got hungry, and I ate the dried cranberries. And I got thirsty, so I drank the cranberry sauce. Juice. Is anything I'm saying making sense? This is a sterilized spoon.
Let's try to liquefy everything here. Is anything I'm saying making sense?
Okay, I'm going to fill this with cool water now. Just went and got some cool water. I'll just go get some more. Here's some more cool water. That'll do. This is the yeast that I took away from some home brew. It's Thomas Cooper's brand, Cooper's Home Brew Kit. So just add a little bit of this. Actually, I don't want to use it all because I want to make the home brew kit. Like, I want to do that. So just pour that in. Is that enough? That's plenty. That's plenty. Now, give that a bit of a stir. You might be wondering how warm that is. It's not exactly cold, but nothing's exactly cold over here at the moment. I might get my lovely assistant to get the thermometer. Thank you, Deirdre. Now, it is 37 degrees, and the table is 26 degrees, and I am 33.1 degrees, and the wall is 26 degrees, and the roof is 26.3 degrees. I highly recommend getting one of these to anybody. They're great. Okay, I forgot what this was. 37. It's what I'm supposed to be. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is put the lid on. Not too tight, just loosely. No need for condoms or balloons or anything fancy like that. I've explained this many times. You can do that if you want to. As the carbon dioxide's coming out, it's going to force all the air out anyway. Nothing's going to go in. It's kind of a tightish seal. Listen to this. Can you hear that? Make it a bit tighter even. Whatever. Put this in a dark place and we'll check on it tomorrow. Okay, well this is the next day. It never went real crazy, but it's just, you can see the bubbles. It's plodding along there. Sort of like sediment at the bottom. I'm pretty tempted to give it a stir, but maybe I will, maybe I won't. Well, probably wondering why I've got my nicest shirt on so late at night. ready to bottle this. It's been a full 6 days. The bubbles have slowed right down. They were slow the whole time, really. I've cleaned up some bottles and sterilized them, and I'm going to just pour them in with the help of a strainer and a... I always forget the name of those things. Colander? No, dickhead! It's a funnel. Alright, so let's have a close look at this. Ooh, got some floaties on top. Yep, nice pink color. Very good. Okay, doing this over the sink. Flying solo again. Open that up. Might have a whiff. No comment. Whack this bad boy on to keep out the chunky bits. I've gone ahead and sterilized a rubber band to put on here. And in theory, I can just pour this in. Oh. Yep. Damn it all to hell. Okay, that's going in. That's almost to the top. And that's pretty good. That's one bottle. For those of you counting along at home, one. Write that down. Now, this one. If anyone can guess what number this bottle is, you go in the drawer for a brand new Mazda. Numero dos, is that what they say? I don't speak whatever language I'm pretending to be able to speak. That's 3 bottles, about halfway through. There's quite a bit of settlement in the bottom. Sediment. Coming through quite slowly because of that. Well, looks like I'm only going to get 4 bottles. I'll clean that up right now. All clean. I hope the owner of the house doesn't see that. But if you did, press like and subscribe. I've put these bottle caps on like this, and I've got this machine to go Whoompa! Oh, amazing strength. 1. Yeah, I've got 4 bottles. Probably wasted a bottle and a half. Being a klutz. I don't know if you've noticed, but I always bloody spill things. Don't mean to. It's a waste of good wine, or sometimes bad wine, to be honest. This is the one that I spilled, and I topped it up with hot water and added a little sugar. Why? Why not? I'll mark it. I'll mark it so I don't get mixed up with the pure ones, my precious. Okay. These I'm going to put someplace to store for about 2 weeks. I'm going to whack them in the fridge and I'm going to drink them, right? Said I was going to wait 2 weeks, but I waited 6 days. 3 days just sort of in room temperature and 3 days in the fridge. I've used a champagne glass because I'm thinking to myself, it's going to be like cranberry champagne. We'll see how we go. Pretty excited. Use that. Is that classy? It's not very classy, is it? Wasn't even necessary. Okay. Still doesn't smell great. But you did hear a psst. What? Cranberry crampone? I'm trying to say is what? And I said that successfully. Since it's settled, some of the pinkness has come out of it, as you can see. And, it's really awesome! This is why I was excited, because I knew it was going to be good. What's it taste like? Man, it tastes like a damn treat. It tastes creamy. It tastes creamy. It doesn't taste alcohol-y at all. It doesn't taste strong. It doesn't taste in any way bad. I'm so, like, do people do this? Do people make cranberry wine? I don't know. Smash! Yeah, so creamy, sweet. How pretentious is this glass? Oh, it's alright. Because I thought it'd be like champagne. Is it like champagne? Well, it's not as bubbly as champagne, and also I don't like champagne, but I do like this. I mean, I drink champagne. Not all the time. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't go out and buy it. In fact, I don't think I've ever bought champagne. I've drunk a bit of it. Is rose milk a thing? That was the whole thing. Actually, there's not even much sediment in this. Wasn't planning on opening another one, but if I'm going to give the wife a try of some when she gets home later, then another one has to be open, and I might as well open it now because I'm thirsty still. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Come
back, Mom, come back.
This is good. 啊，这个是你做的酒里面，除了那个桑葚酒之外，这个最好喝的。
Very good. 那你喝吧。